Week 6 of the horse shelter build at Long Shadows, and the project has taken another big step forward. This week, Pete extended the roof rafters by another 1.5 metres, giving us those wider eastern eaves we've been planning for. It's a small detail with a big purpose. Better storm protection, better shade, and a stronger, longer lasting shelter for the herd. While Pete was up on the tools, I took the dogs for an early walk down to the lower paddock and couldn't resist capturing this panoramic view. The morning light, the quiet, the shelter rising out of the landscape. It's one of those moments where you can actually feel the progress.
Falls on your head, you're dead.
Hopefully it won't fall on my head. I'll be more careful from now on.
And now that the build is really taking shape, I've started feeding and grooming the horses right beside the shelter. It's all about getting them used to their new home base. New sounds, new shadows, new routines. They settle a little more each day.
Looks like those battens are up. You know what comes next? Insulation and roofing. I'm excited.
Pete finished installing all the roof battens and then painted and fitted the fascia. Every piece brings the whole structure closer to the vision we've had in our heads for months. Six weeks in, and the shelter is no longer just a project. It's becoming part of the rhythm here, part of the way we care for the horses, part of the way the property works. And with every board, every bolt, every early morning like this one, Long Shadows feels a little more complete. And there you have it, week 6 done and dusted. Join us for week 7, with weather permitting, we get a new roof. Thanks for watching. Bye.